Alright, today I made some Hana Katsuo Udon, and for you to make the prepackaged udon, all you have to do is get 1.5 cups of water, bring it to a boil. You would add the noodles into the pot, and after it boils for a couple minutes, you're gonna add the vegetable flakes and cook it for another couple of minutes. And what I would do is I would actually cut up some green scallions and cilantro, roughly around. For cilantro I would go for maybe 1/4 cup of the cilantro, and I'll put it into my udon with along with the green scallions, and the finished product will look like this right here. So basically, the noodle is a little bit chewy. I like it a little bit al dente. For me, I like this because it gives me this comfort food that I get from eating udon. And with the side dish, I'm going to use the kimchi and yellow radish. And for the beverages, I'm going to use this Korean drink called yakuru. Alright? Yakuru. So, I apologize for not having the best picture quality for the video how I made udon, but it's just a work in progress because due to the coronavirus, we're obligated to stay home. So I'm just playing around with some stuff. So I'll do the first bite. All right. Yeah, this looks very good. All right, I'm gonna have this. Yeah, nice and good. Have some kimchi. Trying to eat a lot of kimchi because the fermentation cabbage and the spiciness supposedly helps reduce the virus of SARS. So it was back in like 2009 where Korea was going crazy over kimchi because it got rid of certain viruses or helps prevent it. So along with coronavirus, I'm trying to eat a lot of vegetables so that way I stay healthy. And now I'm gonna take a bite of this yellow radish with kimchi. All right, and I have a big bite of the udon. Mm. The cilantro definitely brings that the freshness feeling of the with the udon. It's nicely brought the udon to a more exquisite taste. And here's a drink of the yaku. And if you guys wanna add suggestions, let me know how you make your udon. All right. Thank you, and have a good day.